Hello guys, peptide bond. The peptide bond is also called as amide bond and it is found between the two amino acids, and the peptide bond is formed between the two amino acids in which the nitrogen atom of one amino acid and carbonyl group of other amino acid. For example, see that nitrogen atom of one amino acid and carbonyl group of another amino acid. This bond is called peptide bond. I will explain later. The CONH linkage are also called as peptide bond. This line will be remain. I will explain later. Based on peptide bonds, the peptide bonds are in different types. Like if the peptide bond is 1, then it is called as dipeptide. The dipeptide bond which is present between the two amino acids, then one peptide bond is formed. Tripeptide is found between 3 amino acids, that is 2 peptide bonds. Then third one is oligopeptide. The oligopeptide bonds which are present between the 25 amino acids to 100 amino acid. It will be forms many peptide bonds. And fourth one is polypeptide bonds. Poly means many, so more than 100 amino acid. The bond which can be formed between more than 100 amino acid, then it is said to be as polypeptide. Okay, then we explain what is amino acid. A group, a carbon or any atom which contains carbonyl group and carbonyl group or carboxylic group and nitrogen group or amine group is called as amino acid. This structure is called as amino acid. If we take two amino acid as example, these two amino acids, if we expand the structure, it will be formed like this. Then what is our statement? Nitrogen atom of one amino acid and carbonyl group of other amino acid. So carbonyl group of amino acid and nitrogen group of amino acid, it will be go under dehydration. Dehydration means minus H2O. So one hydrogen atom of nitrogen and hydroxy group of carbonyl of amino acid will be eliminated through the dehydration like water, and the bond which can be formed between the carbon and nitrogen, we can see after elimination of this, the bond which can be formed between this carbon and nitrogen of other amino acid. This linkage, if we can see this linkage, CONH, this linkage are also called as peptide linkage. This bond is called as peptide bond, and this linkage is called as peptide linkage. These peptide bonds are square planar, not square planar. This peptide bond is planar. Planar means it will be the bond which can be like a plane, so it is a planar. These are the formation of peptide bonds. Okay, thank you.